All right, we're back again. This is Jeffrey with Fair by Trade, and we are looking at the micro Dow one more time. This is the PM session, afternoon session. We usually run it back couple times a day, and let's see if we can maybe pull some tricks out the hat um, for maybe a couple trades, one trade or so. Let's see what we got, and let's focus. Let's see if we can pay attention to the market, see what the market is telling us, whether we're looking for a long, whether we're looking for a buy, looking for a sell, which is going to be a short, and or if we're ranging, which maybe you don't do anything, or you do trade, sell, top by the bottom. Depends how you're looking at it. Depends on what your eyes see. You got to use those indicators, which are your eyeballs, right? So just pay attention, see what you got. Use your averages, use your lines. You don't have to go in blind, right? If you do, you just better know your exit. Let's see what we got here. And right now, it looks like it's just up, right? So it has to come back down one way or another. So wait for a pullback. That's what I'm going to wait for. And we'll see if we can make a trade maybe within the next, 30 minutes or so. I'll keep you guys posted on that. And let's see what we can do here today. All right. You guys take it easy. Let's trade. Fair by trade. This is Jeffrey. All right. Let's do it. Yeah, it looks like the still ranging up, still pushing up. Let's see what it wants to do. Everything is just looking up. All right. If you're looking for a short, tell me where and tell me why. Are you looking for a short at the top here? Did you get in? Let's see. 79. That's a big, almost 40 points. So you would have definitely had to gotten right here. Exit here. And maybe took a shot down. But I'm curious if you are in how you're playing it. All right, how are you playing this? If you're playing it at all, what chart you're looking at, and show me something. Let's see what we got. I'm waiting on this one. I'm not sure if it's even moving right now, so we'll see what's going on. I had internet issues earlier, so that was definitely a reason. Technically, I probably should have shut down, but I made a little bit of money. All right, so. Can't beat that. Really can't beat that. So let's see what we got. See what we're trading today. And if you guys already traded earlier, how'd you guys do? Right? It doesn't matter what you're trading. Forex, futures, crypto. How'd you guys do? What'd you guys make? Shop me your setup, your strategy. Maybe somebody else can benefit from it. Maybe somebody need a little tip. This is going to be a big community soon, and we're just going to have a bunch of people trading, man, trying to make a living, right? Not 100% relying on a W-2 job. It's okay to have a job. I've had a job for years. I'm always in support of it, but, get a skill that you can back yourself up just in case, right? Hopefully trading becomes one of those skills. All right. But you got to get some emotional skills first, which involves that patience word. You got to have patience. You got to wait around. You got to sit around. You got to, let your mouse just not be in front of you too, right? So don't get excited to trade unless you see something that's worth trading. All right. But either way, let's keep going. Let's keep pushing it through. And we know what you guys are doing. What a jump up on that Dow, guys. Man, that was a nice jump. Curious to see what it wants to do. I'll be chasing it if I get in right here, so you can't get in here. You could, but you gotta have your exit. Maybe this would be an exit. 75. That's too much of a gap. So I'm thinking the exit, the entry, maybe right here. Point entry. That's risky. Right at the top, so be careful. if you're trying to pull that trade off. All right, now if you're looking at the NASDAQ or something, maybe that's a good trade, showing you some real probably pressure to the top. I think I'm even sim trading that one. So as you can see, I'm sim trading the NASDAQ, and this is a sim live. That's how you know. What are we going for? 460 on this trade. If this plays out, curious, maybe, right? Let's see. Yeah, let's see. I haven't got the ES on the trade. Right, I should get out the ES, but the ES may show me some love up top here. But ES could be a little tricky too, so you gotta be careful. I'm thinking that you can play with the ES. Yeah, let's see. I'll take profit someone here. Right. Knowing me though, let me get out of that one. Ooh, look how close that one is. Yeah, that was close. Man, if you jump back into threes, I may just have to rock with you. Well, you know what? I can stay in. I made a profit. I don't feel bad. Let's let this ride up a little higher. Kind of see where this one to go. All right, I'll keep you guys posted on this one. Well, it may hit. Let's see. Get a few more seconds. Let's see what it wants to do. I like the NASDAQ, man. The NASDAQ is, once it gets excited, kind of can show you something real. Let me get a little bit more profit. I got 250 profit on this one so far. Ooh, that was beautiful. All right, let's let that run, guys. You saw what happened with that one. All right, let's get back to Mr. Dow. He's still inching up. Yeah. Caught this big bar here, outside bull bar. And there we go. Up we go. Up we go. Let's see what we're hope to gain from this trade here. So just be patient. No trade taken yet. Just wait for a setup. Yeah, nothing's came about quite yet. Still waiting on its Dow to jump up. It's afternoon. It's gonna be slow. We'll see what happens at 2 o'clock. We got about less than 10 minutes for that, and let's see if it's gonna give a little bit more direction. If not, we may just end trade and trading today. Oh, made a nice trade. Got about almost 1,000 in sim. And we're still at $34 in micros. All right, hold tight, guys. What are you doing? What are you trading? Let's see. I mean, finally, maybe. I don't know. Not on this tick chart, but we do have another trade, maybe in a 2-minute chart that I'm looking at. But I'm curious on what it wants to do. Look like a double bottom on the 2-minute, but on the tick chart, yeah, we're just gonna wait a little bit more, see if we can find just a more ideal setup, and maybe looking to go short if it comes back down here again, down these areas. So we'll see what we got. Or we may not have anything. I may give this up actually in the next 15 minutes to see if we can go do something else. All right, but this is what we have right now. This is what we're facing. This is what we're looking at. Is getting a little bit momentum, which is what we want. As you can see, the ATRs maybe starting to curve back up. But let's see what it wants to do. It's getting closer to the end. Got about maybe a couple hours, well, less than a couple hours now before the market closes for the day, the New York Stock Exchange. So let's just give it a few and let's see if we can make a trade. All right, hang tight, guys. Yeah, and of course, as I stepped away, I missed this nice bull trade right here. That would have been my entry here. But I missed that one, which is perfectly fine. So now we're just going to wait for, actually, I mean, I pretty much missed the trades today. I think this is it. I'm wondering if I can squeeze like one more, one more out for a scalp trade. But everything's moving super slow right now. Let me refresh this one. Close here, open here. Everything's moving kind of slow. But I'm wondering if I do a quick buy, would I get like a push through off of this big candle, big green candle to the upside? We know the trend is long, and I want to see if I can squeeze one more out before the day ends. And let's see what we can come up with. So let's give it a shot. All right, let's see. We are live. We took a long trade. Not my norm, kind of chasing it, but probably going to end just one trade, right? I'm going to be done after this anyway. But I want to see if I can pull one out the hat. If it wants to go and squeeze up there. So let's see. Let's give it a little room, give it a little space. Let's just see what it wants to do. We know it's going to take its time. So we know that for sure. So let's see how much time it wants to take, but we know it's going to take its time. But a good burst would be excellent right now. A quick burst up and of joy, and we can get the first take profit. That would be beautiful. Let's see. Okay, I got a little green action. A little green action on the play, but let's see if it's show me some love or not. Remember, I can always get out the trade. So always remember that. You're not stuck in the trade just because you entered it. You can actually get out and take your loss rather than your normal stop loss. So right now I'm down $1. I kind of want to see if you still want to inches up past this swing high here, and or if it wants to, let me know like I got in wrong. Kind of teach me a lesson that I do not chase the market, right? Because that's not a good thing to do. But right now we're kind of hanging tight, and let's see if I can catch one. Let's see. Come on, Dow. Let's go. Oh, cancel that. Come on, Dow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. You are definitely on the clock, my friend. You are on the clock. See how much time you have to respond. So let's give him his little flowers. Let's see if he can hold on a little bit. Alright, show me a little bearish vibe right now, so I may pull out. I don't want to lose my stop. Let me get out. I'm okay with that. I feel like it may drop down a little bit. It's approaching the close in an hour before close, so hold my horses on this one. Which I may be glad I did, especially my punishment for chasing the market. Yeah. That was my punishment for chasing the market. I may end this here, guys. There's no real movement. Nobody's getting me excited at all on these trades right now. I don't feel the love, so I'm going to hold off for just a second. Just a second. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, it's not giving me no love. But it's okay, Can't show me love every day, right? So I'm definitely not tripping. So let's see what we can pull out the hat from here. Ironically, I took a long trade on the micro NASDAQ, which I'm about to actually see what this one wants to produce. It's a quick $10 on this trade, if it hits. So let's see what it wants to do. I like this bar, this pin bar vibe here, kind of longer tail, short tail at the top. On a breakout style move, and I want to see if we can rush this to the top. It's been jumping up all day, right? So let's give the market a shot and see if it wants to, show you that same love up. All right, come on, NASDAQ, I see you. I see what you want to do. I see what you want to do, big boy. Let's go. Come on, show me what you got. I'm not going to let you go against me, so we know that for sure. So let's see if you want to break up above, and ooh, I like that. I like that little jump you just gave me. Oh, too soon, but it's okay. All right. We can end that here, guys. Not a bad trade. It's end of day. All right, was up 34. Now took one a little loser, but now we are up to 31 again. So we'll stick in that range. And all right, it's fair value trade, guys. Come on, man. Just do this again tomorrow. Just throw another video up. Guys have any questions? Did I chase the market? Yes. Do I usually chase the market? No. But I felt a little greedy, and as you can see, it's still inching up a little higher. But we can give it a break. Give your eyes a break. All right. See you guys later, man. Tomorrow, let's do this again. Fair value trade.